Hey guys, how are you? I hope you're all doing good. In this video, we have some new crafting designs for your Christmas Eve parties, and we have new easy crafting designs like a snowman, like a cardboard, and many other shapes. You can do that easily at your home. These are very simple ideas. Please keep watch this video till the end without skipping it. If you haven't subscribed our channel FKN Creation, please do subscribe our channel. Click on the bell icon so you'll get all the notification on your dashboard. Let's enjoy the video. I hope you had all get the ideas. Until the next video, take care. Goodbye. Happy Christmas.